Hello, respectable audience. 27 divided by 1 over 9 times 3. 9 and 27. Here we get 3 and 3 divided by 1 multiplied by 3. 3 divided by 1. 3 times 3. We will get 9. But remember that 9 is incorrect. So we have to solve the question again in correct way. Now we can cancel 3 and 9 because they are being multiplied, and our answer in this case is 27 divided by 3. Again we will get 9, but I have told you that 9 is incorrect. So again remove this question and solve it according to correct way. So the accurate and correct solution for this question is by moving from left to right. Division is at left, multiplication is at right. So we have to handle this division first. So 27 will be written as it is. Now this divide can be converted into multiplication by just using a trick or flip. So it will be 9 over 1 times 3. Now 27 times 9, it will be equal to 43 times 3, which will be further solved to get 729, which will be our correct answer. Thank you.